has stopped now. Still sprinkling a little bit, but I think it's gone for today. Ground got pretty damp, but I'm sure the corn's enjoying it and the beans are too. Howdy folks, I'm back with you today. It stopped raining last night and the ground is dried up now. It's about noon the next day. I think we're going to be able to cut some more hay. But I was fixing to give you a little insight as to how our mower connects here. Now, this mower hooks up with a 3-point connection, and it's supposed to be just your 2 swing arms here at the bottom that hook into there. We want it to be just a little bit faster and hook up with a quick hitch here. So my dad turned some pins to make it the right size and made bushings there to keep the pins from sliding back, and now hooks up with a quick hitch. It's a lot simpler. The top link we thought was going to be too close to here, but it turned out to be okay. So after that, fixing to hook this PTO up, hook the hydraulics up. I've already greased it, so we're ready to go for today. I'd like you guys to see something. Take a look right out there in that little patch. You see all that clover? That is a pretty crazy amount of live clover that's trying to make another hard seed. And it's the beginning of July. It's pretty crazy. Anyway, you might recognize this field. Cut it in a previous video. I think it's been about a month or so, a month and a half ago. Grass is kind of thin down here on this end of it, but got pretty thick Johnson grass back on the other end. So I'm just going to mow it all just to make it even. And if we don't get much off of this end, it's not that big a deal. But so far, it's going pretty nice. I'm just really shocked at that clover. It's crazy. So I'm done with this field, and I was going to skip that one over there because it's not very big and it's kind of short, but I think I'm going to go and cut it just to make it nice and level out here. You know, everybody wants their fields to look like a golf course, but what's really bothering me is up there. I think it may go around us, and I'm just going to keep cutting until I can't anymore, but it's raining about 5 miles west of here. It may make it here, it may not. We'll just have to find out. Well, I'm done with the fields down there, and I'm moving on to this hillside over here, which is really dense grass because only this small block right here down to there, they had bush hog because there was some, I think it's called milkweed out there he was trying to kill. So I'm gonna start working on this. I'm working on my layout passes, and glad that down there is done, and get this on the ground. Well, park for a few minutes. Gonna go get some lunch. Catch you folks back in just a few minutes. This grass may not be the tallest out there, but it is very thick. There's a lot of spring grass still standing. Got a lot of gamma grass down there in that corner. I like that. Getting it on the ground. I've moved back to a field down here in the bottom that's some newer ground. We used to have cows out here, and it just needed some work done. There was some washouts, some holes, a few clumps of trees and stuff that we had to take care of, and we broke it up, smoothed it out, leveled it, and seeded it back with some grass, which it's mainly fescue. It's a really good fescue field in the spring. We didn't cut it this spring just to let the fescue go back to hard seed. But there's a lot of other grass out here, and it is so thick right now. I mean, there's just this densely packed carpet of Bermuda under there. There's huge patches of Johnson grass, just some really good grass. Enough so when I get in some of the thickest spots, I can actually feel it pulling the tractor down a little bit, which with a hay mower, I mean, that's got to be some thick grass to be able to do that. So it's looking good. That's where I cut. I guess it's been a little over a month ago now. This stuff is just insanely thick over here.